Hi everyone, welcome to Organic Creations. I hope you all are doing fine today. So today I'm going to be making, sharing a very simple and easy to make anti-acne cream. Now this is especially for people who have itchy acne, teenagers who have a lot of acne on the skin, fresh acne, to help to soothe the skin, to help to reduce the irritation and to help to dry out the acne. We are going to be making a very effective neem cream today. So here I have my water phase in which I have taken my neem water. I have made a paste of neem, and then I have added more water to it and just strained out the paste in the liquid form, and this is a solution that I have. So you can also boil neem leaves in regular distilled water and then strain it and use it, but this concentrated form is a little more effective. Once you grind the neem leaves and then remove the water of it, that is much more effective on acne. In this I have my neem water along with my glycerin. This is my oil phase in which I have all my waxes, my emulsifying wax. I have taken a little bit of cetosterol alcohol as my thickener. I have almond oil as my nourishing oil and a little bit of stearic acid to give a nice viscosity to the cream. So this is my oil and water phase. Now I'm going to go ahead and heat both the phases and we will continue making the cream. Okay, so I've gone ahead and heated both the phases here, and now we'll go ahead and add our water phase into the oil phase and we'll give it a blend. So we'll blend this well, and now I will leave this at the side to cool down so that this automatically thickens once it starts cooling. Okay, so I'll go ahead and blend this once more so that the cooling happens fast, and then we will leave it for the next 10 minutes to completely set, and then I'll show you how the cream has set. Okay, so now I have left this cream here for around 10 minutes to set, and this is how it looks right now. It's well set, it's completely cooled down. So we'll quickly go ahead and add our preservative in this and we'll give it a mix. I'm not going to be adding any fragrance to this because it already has a very nice soothing neem fragrance to it, so I will not be additionally adding any other fragrances. We'll mix the preservative well in the cream. Please make sure whenever you add a preservative, your mixing is done very well, thoroughly, so that it reaches every corner of the product that you're making. Okay, so this looks well mixed, and you can see the beautiful viscosity of this cream, the texture, and it's a very lightweight cream on application as well. Very easily it spreads into the skin, leaving a non-greasy effect, especially for people with an acne prone skin, people with a very oily skin. So this is absolutely suitable for all skin types, even for oily skin people having acne. Do give this a try. You can keep this for a month since this contains fresh. So please do give this a try, make it, use it, and don't forget to share your feedback. If you like what I share with you all, you all want me to share more such interesting videos with you all, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much everyone.